Welcome to Visionary Designs. Imagine stepping into a bedroom where the rustic charm of natural materials meets the sleek elegance of modern design. Intrigued? In today's video, we're showing you how to create a stunning rustic bedroom with a modern twist. This design will make your space feel both cozy and contemporary, perfectly blending the best of both worlds. Let's dive into this exciting transformation. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest home design tips and inspirations. Now, let's get started. First, let's lay down the rustic foundation. Think about bringing the outdoors in with natural materials and earthy tones. Imagine exposed wooden beams, stone accents, and furniture made from reclaimed wood. These elements create a cozy, inviting atmosphere that feels timeless and grounded. Consider a sturdy wooden bed frame with a distressed finish, adding a touch of rugged charm. Complement this with a pair of vintage nightstands that bring a sense of history and character to the room. A stone accent wall or wooden shiplap backdrop can serve as the perfect focal point, adding depth and texture. To keep the room warm and inviting, choose bedding and textiles in earthy tones like beige, brown, and olive green. Now let's dive deeper. Picture a wooden bed frame crafted from reclaimed barnwood, each piece telling its own unique story. The headboard could be an old door, sanded and stained to bring out its natural beauty. Imagine nightstands made from antique chests, their drawers filled with keepsakes and memories. The stone accent wall, perhaps made from locally sourced river rocks, adds a sense of place and permanence. For the bedding, think about layering textures: a linen duvet, a chunky knit throw, and a pile of pillows in various shades of earth tones. This layering not only adds warmth but also creates a visually rich and inviting space. Next, let's introduce some modern elements to freshen up the space. Modern design is all about clean lines, minimalism, and functionality. Picture the sleek elegance of contemporary design, blending seamlessly with rustic charm. Swap out traditional bedside lamps for sleek modern pendant lights or minimalist wall sconces, casting a soft glow over your rustic nightstands. Choose a contemporary area rug with a geometric pattern to add visual interest and contrast to the natural textures. Incorporate modern furniture pieces like a streamlined dresser or a chic armchair in a neutral color palette. Imagine the transformation as you replace your old bedside lamps with sleek, industrial-style pendant lights, hanging from the ceiling and casting a warm, inviting glow. The geometric area rug underfoot not only adds comfort, but also serves as a striking visual contrast to the rough textures of the rustic elements. Picture a modern dresser with clean lines, its drawers providing ample storage while maintaining the room's sleek aesthetic. A chic armchair in a neutral color, perhaps positioned near a window, offers a cozy reading nook. Complete the look with abstract art pieces on the walls, adding a touch of modern sophistication. Balancing rustic and modern elements is crucial for a cohesive look. It's all about mixing textures and materials in a harmonious way. Think about the rough, natural textures of wood and stone blending effortlessly with the sleek, smooth finishes of metal and glass. Start with a neutral color palette as your base, adding pops of color through accessories and decor. For instance, a sleek metal bed frame can be paired with wooden nightstands, creating a striking contrast that is both bold and beautiful. Modern art can hang on a rustic wooden wall, providing a visual balance that's pleasing to the eye. Plants are also a great way to add a touch of nature and freshness to the room, bringing life and vitality to the space. Consider the balance in more detail. Imagine the tactile pleasure of running your hand over a smooth metal bed frame juxtaposed against the rough texture of a wooden nightstand. The visual delight of abstract modern art pieces hanging on a rustic wooden wall creates an engaging contrast. Think about adding vibrant, colorful throw pillows or a bold, patterned rug to inject some personality and energy into the room. Picture a large, leafy plant in a minimalist pot, its green foliage bringing a burst of life into the space. The overall effect is a harmonious blend of old and new, rough and smooth, creating a bedroom that feels both dynamic and balanced. To take your rustic modern bedroom to the next level, let's explore some additional decoration ideas. Consider playing with different color palettes, like combining muted tones with vibrant accents to create visual interest. Wall decor is crucial too. Think about hanging a mix of modern art pieces and rustic wooden frames to balance both styles. For lighting, use a combination of overhead pendant lights and cozy table lamps to create different moods throughout the day. Add texture with throws, pillows, and rugs in materials like wool, cotton, and jute. For example, drape a cozy wool throw over a modern chair and place a jute rug to ground the space while adding a natural touch. Don't forget the little details. Ceramic vases, metallic candle holders, and woven baskets can add depth and interest. Imagine how these thoughtful touches create a serene ambiance, making your bedroom the perfect retreat. Imagine a serene morning light filtering through sheer curtains, illuminating a beautifully balanced room. The color palette could range from soft pastels to deep, earthy tones, each adding its own charm. Picture a mix of modern art and rustic wooden frames adorning the walls, each piece telling a unique story. The lighting changes throughout the day, with pendant lights providing focused illumination for reading or working, and table lamps casting a warm, inviting glow in the evening. Textures abound, from the softness of a wool throw to the roughness of a jute rug, each adding its own tactile pleasure. Small details like a ceramic vase filled with fresh flowers, metallic candle holders reflecting the flickering light, and woven baskets providing stylish storage all contribute to the room's overall harmony and serenity. That's it for our rustic bedroom with a modern twist. We hope you're inspired to bring this unique blend of styles into your own home. Remember, the key is to balance rustic charm with modern elegance, creating a space that's both cozy and contemporary. Envision a bedroom where you can relax and unwind, surrounded by the perfect blend of rustic warmth and modern sophistication. Let us know in the comments which elements you loved the most and how you're planning to incorporate this style into your own space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.